In this video, I want to tell you about a really popular SEO Chrome plugin called SEO Quake.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
And you can go to the Chrome Web Store, which is basically chrome.google.com. That's what the entry page for chrome.google.com would look like. You would go to extensions and you would look for SEO Quake. You see it even autocorrected for you. So you go SEO Quake and you find this. Now I already have it installed, so it asked me to rate it. In your case, you'd install it. There are two ways you can use this. The first way is looking at your pages. So when you install this to your Chrome, what's going to happen is your other pages will start looking like this. I'm using my website, for example, and you see how on the very top there is a bar? See that? There's like a little bar. It has this SQ. I'll try to make it a little bigger. It has this SQ right here, and it gives you all these metrics. That's the SEO Quake plugin at work, and it tells you all these things. It will index 402, backlinks 401, whatever. Alexa rank doesn't really matter for SEO that much. Some people ask me about Alexa rank. That hasn't been relevant for SEO for too long. And it gives you all these other things, and you can customize what it gives you actually. You can say, well, I don't care about my Google Plus. I don't care about my pin count or whatever. I don't care about the Alexa rank. So where is this useful? Where I find this really useful is, for example, if I'm trying to rank this page for a keyword business ideas. So I'll go to Google and I'll enter business ideas, and it's actually going to give me extra information. So this Chrome plugin isn't only the bar on the top. This Chrome plugin is actually the extra information here. So some things that it tells us are, you see how it says 0 on some things, and it says get trust metrics with SEMrush account. They're trying to get us to get some paid version of it. So we're not so much interested in that at the moment, but you can see you can see how many links are pointing to any domain. So for example, this smallbiztrends.com, you can see that over 1,000 links to that page and over 2 million paid links to that domain overall. And then it gives us this Alexa rank. Alexa rank does not help us rank. What Alexa rank does tell us is approximately where it ranks in terms of traffic. So this ranks in like 14,000th site online. For example, if you go to entrepreneur.com, which is very popular site, its rank is the 2000 site online. It's almost the top 2000 site online. And if you go to like a small business owner site, Business Town, I don't know what it is, you see the rank drops off hugely, right, in terms of the traffic that they get. But they still get a lot of links to this particular page and to this domain overall, 25,000 links. So for you, how do you tell when you're doing keyword research and you're trying to determine how can I rank for this keyword? You have to check the current search, and the current search will tell you, well, some of the pages that are ranking are some of the top pages in the world, some of the top websites in the world. So it will be a very, very, very difficult keyword to rank for, right? So it tells you the difficulty before you embark to create the page, before you start to do all the work to rank for that keyword. You can tell how hard is it going to be. And here you can obviously tell it's really hard. All the sites in the top 10 are really well trafficked sites, and they have a lot of backlinks to them, which is the number one factor for ranking highly on Google search. And so there's going to be a tremendous amount of work to rank. So probably it's too difficult. So you would look for other keywords to target when you're trying to think of what page you should create and what keyword you should target. So this really helps you in your keyword research even before you create the page, so you don't waste a lot of time. So you can look at all your competitors and see what the competitors are doing, so you can understand the competitive landscape.